Welcome back to my channel, guys. Well, today I'm cooking green banana, potato, and put my sweet pepper, yellow and red, plus garlic and my scotch bonnet pepper. Here it is. Stay tuned, guys. Guess what, guys? I'm gonna put spinach in my tin mackerel. Yes, guys. See there, spinach. And my tomato, nice big juicy tomato in my tin mackerel. Cut up my onion and I cut up my pepper and the garlic. I'm gonna cut up this now, tomato. This is my frying pan, my olive oil to fry up my stuff. Yes, guys, cooking up the star now. Yeah, man, cooking up the nice food. Green banana, potato, pumpkin. Guys, cooking my dinner with all my nice vegetables in it. Red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet, guys, tomato. And I'm gonna put spinach in there. It's my dinner for this evening. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, welcome back. Watch me now. I'm gonna put in these. To put in the onion first. This one fry up. Pepper and the garlic. It will have flavor. Will have nice little flavor. Both spoons put cooking. Yes. And the nice food. To really get in the mood. Cooking up the nice food to really get in the mood. Then now, guys, cook nice food, huh? Cook Jamaican style food. So I'm gonna cut this pepper some more. Like this. Then I'm gonna stir fry them with the tomato. Cut up my tomato like this. I'm gonna add it in now. Let it fry up. Kind of cook fry, steam fry. Wash my spinach. Get my hand towel. Dry my hands. Get that stir. Where's the door you want? Yes, guys, I've cut up my spinach, so I'm going to put in it in now. I'm going to steam fry. That's the spinach. Yeah, that's the spinach there. Put in my spinach now, so I'm gonna stir fry it. Cooking my style of food. This is my style. So I'm gonna add pinch of salt to it. Cook and read the book. So guys, this is my mackerel. So I'm gonna use my cutter and cut the mackerel now. Like this. Finish. Cut like this. Nice. There you go guys. Steaming up nicely. Plus this one cooking. See there. And this is the mackerel. Pata cook. So guys, time to add in the mackerel. Chunky jack mackerel guys. See? This is a big chunky jack. Big chunky jack mackerel. Yes guys, sharing out time now. Sharing out time, it's a sharing out time. Sharing out time, it's a sharing out time. Banana skin. Banana hot. Faster than cow get fat. So peel it from the skin. So boil banana apparent. So boil them in a skin. See there guys. Fish ready. Ready to eat. Come on, eat with me guys. I'm gonna share my food with you, okay? I'm gonna use a different spoon, this one, to share my fish. So, fish sharing time now. Put your fish, a little of this, a little of that, a little of this, and a little of that. Now share the fish. You get a piece of fish. So get that enough guys. So my time we do some eating now guys. Green banana. Crush in the chin mackerel. Food every right now. Hurricane time now in Jamaica, so I'll eat hurricane food. Tin mackerel and green banana. Tin mackerel time. Hurricane time. She's good too. Squash. I find this a squash. Jamaica we say pumpkin. There's two different, some one round and some lamb. Jamaica think them different still, you know? And this is a squash. Yeah. Spinach. Good pair. Health is wealth. So you have to eat up the healthy food. Yeah? Health is wealth, so you have to eat it healthy.